What's up, you guys? This is Mike here with Trushine Cleaning. Here at a repeat customer house. I'm only doing this one room, this little small hallway area. And I've already started. I already vacuumed, and I already put my pre-spray down for urine treatment. So it's actually starting to already lighten up. But I started recording a little afterwards. Not sure if you guys can really see it on camera, but there's just a lot of urine spots in this area. Let me see. I'm gonna cut the light off. So let me see. Well, that still didn't make it no better, but it's a lot of urine in this whole little section there. It's a lot of little yellow spots. So I put my pre-spray down to treat those spots first. It's been sitting for about 5 minutes. Now I'm about to get ready to pre-spray with my carpet cleaner. With my carpet cleaning pre-spray, I'm finna get ready to put that down. Let that sit for another 15 minutes. Then I'm going to set up all my equipment and come back and extract. But overall, the carpet is not in bad condition, but it does have some high traffic areas like that. But a lot of those little yellow urine spots from they have a dog, so wasn't sure exactly how they was going to come out. I didn't even think it was going to lighten up that well, but if I would have took a picture of it before, you guys would have seen a lot of yellow spots in this little area. So, but I'm gonna get ready to start cleaning. And let me show you guys this. I didn't really get a good before vacuum. I didn't really get a vacuum video. Because honestly, I didn't think it was that bad just by looking at it. And I think they just got done vacuuming. So, but I picked up all of this in this one room. So, but I didn't really get a video of it, so I'm just showing you guys now. But that all came from that one room. So that's pretty much it. Show you guys some of the cleaning process. About to get ready to pre-spray, and I want to agitate the carpet, and should come out great. So their main concern was the yellow spots, but I'm gonna do my best to make the carpet look great. So thanks for watching. What's going on, y'all? So her on this job was getting ready to start extracting this room, and I ran into a problem. So show you guys the problem. I didn't think my wine was in the cold that long. Now, mind you, this drive, I took my wine out. It's probably like a 45-minute drive. I vacuumed the floor, pre-sprayed it. So the wine was probably in the van for probably about an hour and a half. But mind you, it's snowing outside. It's pretty cold out. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened. So I got everything set up, got water in my machine, and getting ready to hook up everything and start cleaning. So mind you, when I was taking my equipment out, I seen a spring on the floor, and I didn't think where it came from. So apparently this didn't happen to me before, where if I leave my wine out in the cold too long, it freezes and breaks. Mind you, this ain't nothing but just some brass. So if it get frozen, usually this little piece will pop off. And usually it breaks up in there. So now I gotta get me a whole new one of these, but I don't have any on the van. So I have to clean this carpet a different way, which is not a problem. I just wanted to clean it with the wine, but yeah, it sucks that a problem happened on the job now. I'm gonna have to clean it, like a low moisture clean it. I'm gonna have to do it thoroughly because of the pet treatment that I put down. I gotta make sure I get as much of that up as possible. But as you can see, it's all lighting up pretty well. The carpet has been sitting on the carpet for probably about 20 minutes, but ran into a problem. Now I gotta go take this back, take my machine back, and bring my other machine in. Show you guys that setup. So yep, that sucks. So now I have to give me another connection like this. If I had like um, my furniture cleaning tool or my stair tool, they got the same little setup like this, so I could have just took it off of that and put it on here. But since I wasn't using it, since I wasn't using those pieces of equipment on this job, I left them, and I honestly didn't think the thing would freeze that fast. I mean, it was in there for about an hour and a half, so. But yep, you know, you learn something new every day. So, all right, you guys. So this is my cleaning method that I'm going to use on this carpet. Mind you, my wine is broke, so I can't use hot water extraction because of this. So I actually found the spring and the cap that goes onto this too. I'm going to show you guys, try to show you guys a video when I get back out to the van, just to show you guys how it go. But it's just a spring that goes in there, and it's like a cap that screws onto this, and it popped off because it's cold outside. So I'm glad the hose didn't break. So all I gotta do is replace this. But anyways, so I went out to the van. I keep this on the van all the time because it is a great backup tool when I do need it. So basically using the pad, as you can see, I've already done in front of that machine, like all this area so far. So I'm gonna wring it out and do that area again. And then I'm gonna work my way this way because that area over there was the worst with the pet urine. So I'm gonna really try to flush that side out really well and lift up as much as I can with the pad. And then I'm going to continue with this side and just finish the room up. So honestly, this cleaning method does go way faster than using the hot water extraction, but that's pretty much it. So show you guys a little bit of the process. I'm gonna try to see if I can record with one hand. I always say that, but sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. Sometimes I'll be just trying to get the job done, but I'll be trying to give you guys some footage at the same time. So thanks for watching. All right, you guys, and not sure if you guys can see it, but on this pad, it has some green scrubbing strips on it. Let me see. As you can see, a little green strip right there. It's quite a few of them on the pad, and it helps scrub the carpet. So all right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this room, show you guys the finished results when I'm done. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, so here goes the finished results of the carpet. As you can see, everything came out great. So what I'm doing right now, I've already done this half. So this is a rake that I used to groom the carpet. I just got done putting the deodorizer down. So what this does is take the line. It works the deodorizer into the carpet. And it also take out those little swirly lines that pad, see these swirly lines? And take out those lines that pad leaves. So what I do is I just push it. You can either push it forward or pull it backwards. It works both ways. kind of makes everything look evenly. I use this also when I apply protection to the carpet. I'm not applying protection to this carpet. The only thing I did was pet treatment. That's pretty much it, you guys. Let me see, is it a light? Trying to cut that hallway light on, but not sure how to do it, but that's pretty much it, you guys. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel? Thank you.
Looks great. I already did it.
Oh, you came and looked at it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, those things came
up. We need a van. That's 100% better looking.
Oh, yeah. If you want to, you can cut the fan on to help you kind of speed it up. Yeah. All right, you guys. So back at the van, loading up everything. So, as you guys can see, yeah, it's snow. It ain't snowing too much right now, but it was when I came. But here goes the little piece. And I was wondering what this spring went to, because I'm thinking it fell out my machine or something. But so this is the spring. It goes up inside of here and there. It goes like this. It goes up in there, and basically it just keeps this trigger from, you know, keep it pressed. So it goes in there, and this little gold little cap, as you can see, it broke. Twist is up in there. But this is the second time this has happened to me. It ain't happened to me in some years, probably about a good 3 or 4 years. As you can see, water is in there, it's frozen. Well, that's not frozen, but that's what happened. It got too cold and it popped off. This little brass fitting, so they're pretty easy to replace. Just take these screws off, pop it off. I done replaced it before, but the last time I was able to, I don't think I actually took the whole thing off. I was able to just change the inside. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I done had this wine for about a good 3 years, so I guess it was time for me to get a new one anyway. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel? Thank you.